Welcome to another travel edition of great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love.
Hello, Jeffrey.
Speaking of outrageous love, there's my love of my life, Karen.
Love you too, sweetheart.
Where are we today?
We are in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. You might have heard of it. It's near Scranton, so if you've ever watched The Office, that's where we are.
We watched The Office last night. It never gets old.
Never gets old. This particular hotel is right by the arena, so if you're coming to an event at the arena, you can actually see it out the window there off to the left.
I think it's
You might be able to see it.
a little bit, yeah, probably from the front, from the bedroom, yeah.
But first of all, I want to start with the check-in process. Brianna checked us in. Shout out to you, Brianna. First of all, she saved me. I had a grocery bag and the bottom was falling out, and she immediately was like, oh my gosh, let me get you another bag. And she was just so gracious and warming and welcoming and helpful. So the 5 pearls for sure on the staff and that check-in process, 5+ pearls, because she was just beyond lovely. She did give us some water bottles and some snacks upon check-in, which was just a nice little touch. Told us all about the breakfast that starts at 6:30. And she upgraded us, and we didn't ask for an upgrade. So that doesn't happen often. Even we have top tier status. We are lifetime titanium elite as well as ambassador. And if we do not ask for an upgrade, it's rare we'll get one. And we don't often ask in this caliber because we're only here for a good night's sleep.
We're just here for a sleep.
Yeah, so thank you for that also, Brianna. That was really a classy gift that you gave to us. So she upgraded us to a 1-bedroom suite at the Residence Inn. I don't feel like this is your ordinary Residence Inn.
No, it isn't. I told you I went down to the fitness center this morning, and it was extra large, had extra equipment. I mean, everything seems to be upgraded somewhat. I'm just even looking at, the furniture in here.
Exactly.
And
this
the kitchen.
Is not the standard sofa that we see. It's the standard shape, but it is not the standard sofa. It is definitely a brand new upgraded sofa, and I always appreciate new upgraded furniture.
Yeah,
this was perfect for Jeffrey and I. We had dinner here. There is I wouldn't call it a full size, I'd call it a mid-size refrigerator, which was perfect for us because it has a full freezer, which is great for ice packs for our travel bags. But one thing that we really appreciated was rarely, not that we used it, we didn't, but rarely do you get an oven.
Wow.
So that was nice.
I didn't even see that.
And I know, because we hardly ever use it. 4 burners, which was great for us because we did cook. All of the pots and pans were immaculate, and there's a nice dishwasher we'll be loading that.
So 0 to 5 pearls, or 1 to 5 pearls, obviously going to a 5 in the cleaning.
On the cleanliness, I have to give them 5 pearls. It was spotless, and that to me, that's the most important thing. Everything else can fail, but cleanliness,
Yeah.
And I love this wood floor when you walk in.
That's
I'm not
great.
big on carpet, but they did it for a warming feel, and I like the carpet they chose. It's
Great.
It doesn't feel like it's going to collect dust.
Let's go look at the sleepability. I'm just going to take a quick peek at the bathroom. The bathroom's somewhat standard. How you doing? I love that the shower handle's over there away from the shower head. So simple, but the water doesn't come spraying on you when you turn it on. It's a simple thing that
It is really nice.
they've done here in many hotels and houses across the planet.
And you can see the Mohegan Sun Arena
It
is
is.
literally a stone's throw away. On comfort of the bed and quietude, see how close we are to a lot, including the highway. I did not hear a word from the outside world or from within the hotel. The only thing I have to say is I did hear, Jeffrey and I will say, we have a jumper. We are on the 3rd floor, and there are 5 floors. And she did actually ask us if we preferred the 5th floor, it wouldn't be the upgrade. And we decided, because she offered the upgrade, that we would graciously accept it. But we did have a jumper. So you can't, if that's something that bothers you, ask for the top floor, no matter what hotel you're at.
When you say a jumper, though, I have to clarify. It might be someone walking kind of with heavy steps, and you can hear them. It's not like someone was really jumping off the
We
bed.
just call them a jumper.
Well, we've had that before. We've had kids jump.
Yeah. Kids jumping, and that happens too. It's
Yeah, of course, it's just
anyway,
kids.
I give the sleepability and everything I would ding for the pillows because I didn't love the pillows, but everything else was so great. This bed was really comfortable. Not the kind of comforter I like, but I'm rating it as a Residence Inn, not a Ritz-Carlton. So I'm gonna give it 5 pearls. This will be marked as one of our favorites. We do this traveling between the East Coast and the West Coast often, and we've never stayed here before. And this will be at the top of our list because it's immaculate and beautiful, and there's really 0 complaints.
Yeah, the last thing would be the coffee. Coffee was ready, piping hot this morning, and what I love about this level of hotel, I don't have to wait for a barista to come in. The coffee's down there. It was fantastic.
Right.
I'm sure there's a coffee maker in the room. Yes, there is. We didn't use it,
Coffee
but that's
maker
great.
and full coffees, but you know what? Jeffrey likes to go down when he's working out and get the coffee and bring it back up. It's a luxury for me because I love my coffee in bed. That's it. So again, this is the Residence Inn in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania by the Mohegan Arena. Wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love.